Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome to our online and offline biology class. Okay, so this is our first class, and today we will discuss few important content that is important for our entire course curriculum. Okay, so before we start our class, first point important thing, sir, we will conduct our class both online and offline, sir. Okay, so that's why, sir, I need your cooperation. Okay, so if you want, you can attend the class online and also you can attend the class offline, sir. Choice of you, sir. But it's my request to all, sir, if possible, sir, attend the class offline. Yes, sir. Same thing I'm telling, sir. So you already informed that we have a two batch, sir, right? Batch 1, that is in 9:30 to 11, and batch 2 is from 2 to 3:30, sir. So any one batch you can follow, and both batch I will conduct hybrid class, that is online and offline together, sir. Okay, and even if you want, you can attend the Friday in batch 1 and Saturday in batch 2. Anything you can follow, you can attend, but make sure you have to attend the class, sir. Okay, it's needed, sir. And as it is an online and offline class together, sir, so that's why sometimes some problem can be developed, sir. It depends. But there's no chance to develop any problems, so that is still I need your cooperation, sir. Okay, sir, clear? So let's start. Today is the orientation class. Orientation means lot of things. Today we'll get the idea, that is how we will finish our syllabus. What are the content we need to finish? What type of question will come? What is our target? Each and everything we will discuss it today, sir. Okay, and it's my request to all, sir, please listen my information properly. If you want, you can note it down, sir. And after my lecture, if you have any questions, sir, you can ask me. Okay, but make sure try to attend the class physically, if possible, sir. Okay, no bindings, no obligation, but try to attend, sir. So now, all of you are requested, sir. Look at the board, sir. I will give you some basic information, sir. Okay, so everyone, look at the board, sir, please. And those who are doing the class in online, sir, if you have any questions, sir, you can ask me, sir. Okay. If you have any questions, sir, you can ask me, sir. Or after my class, you can ask me, sir. Don't worry, sir. So now, please look at the board, sir, please. Okay. Now, let's start. Yeah. So first, I will give you some basic information, sir. That is important, sir. Because today's orientation class, we will discuss what type of question will come, what is our target, when we will finish our syllabus, each and everything, sir, I will discuss today, sir. Because upcoming each and every class, we have to start our lecture, sir. Normal activities we have to start, sir. But today is very, very important, sir. Try to understand, sir. So first important thing. In our biology, there are two papers, remember, sir. Paper 1 and paper 2. Okay. First important thing, listen to me, sir. If you finish class 8 or class 9 or class 10, whatever it is, sir, it doesn't matter, sir. Okay. If you think, sir, I just finished my grade 8, I just finished my grade 9, so it would be difficult for me. No, just consider, sir, in my class, I will consider you will start your biology today. Either you finish the grade 8, 6, 7, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, sir. Just follow my lecture, more than enough, sir. Okay, so don't think, sir, I completed my grade 9, I completed my grade 10, so that I know each and everything. No. So each and everything I will explain from the beginning, so that you can easily catch the topic properly, sir. Okay, clear, sir? And it's my request to all, sir, please try to understand, sir. Okay, so biology is the only subject where first you have to understand, sir. Then you have to write. Like you already informed how to make a sentence, right? You know that, right? So we know that how to make a sentence with proper order, proper sequence, with grammatical maintenance. We know each and everything, sir, right? So if you know the information, think biology is just like information, nothing else. And you have to remember this information. How to remember? It depends on you. Or if you think, sir, I will memorize this information, then biology is difficult for us. Okay, just try to understand the biology, each and every content, sir, then try to write in your own words, sir. So whatever that is at the end, finally you have to remember the information. Once you remember, then you can write in your own copy, sir, or exam copy, sir. Okay, so biology is the only subject where you have to understand first, then you have to memorize or remember whatever it is. Got it, sir? But make sure first understanding, then the remaining context. Okay, so now let's start. In our biology, there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, it contains 110 marks. Paper 2, it contains 70 marks. That is important, remember, sir. Paper 1, 110 marks, that is for 2 hours. And paper 2, 70 marks, that is for 1 hour, 15 minutes, sir. Remember, sir. And you already informed that our syllabus is changed, right? Our syllabus already changed, sir. And you are the most probably the third batch, because the first batch was Jan 20, sir. That is May 20. May 20, then 21 and 22. So this is the third batch, sir. Remember, sir. So if I consider, sir, only few paper is available for your sessions. Okay, some school, some teacher, they are just following the previous year question paper. But remember, sir, previous year means old syllabus, sir. So old syllabus and your syllabus, little bit of difference. Difference in content, difference in question style, question type, even your writing style. Okay, so remember, sir, syllabus change is not like that content is changed. Your writing style needs to change. Your concept, your thinking, your activities, each and everything should be changed, sir. Remember, sir. Okay, so our main target is we will follow the new syllabus, sir. But according to the new syllabus, we will find out the previous year question, not all questions, remember. Okay, it's not good. So we will follow the previous year question, but according to the new syllabus content, sir. Got it, sir? Okay, so remember, sir. So in our biology, sir, paper 110, but previously it was 120. Paper 2, 70, new syllabus, but old syllabus, it was 60. So the syllabus mark distribution is also changed. And question pattern is also changed. We will discuss with times. Okay, so total mark is 180, right? 180 total mark. So now before that, 1 minute, listen to me, sir. What are the basic difference between paper 1 and paper 2? Right? So what are the basic difference? Paper 1 and paper 2. What are the basic difference? For your kind information, I already uploaded the syllabus in your group, sir. Did you check, sir? I already uploaded the syllabus in your group, sir. Now, what is syllabus, sir? Listen to me, sir. It is very, very important. Not only biology, but also the other subjects included here, sir. Now listen. From the edX, British Council, sir, they uploaded a syllabus. If you go through the next, sir, you will easily find out the syllabus. Any subject syllabus is available, sir. So this syllabus means these are the content. These are the content from where question will come. It's fixed. It's fixed. That means your each and every question, each and every content will come from the syllabus, sir. Right? Right? But for your kind information, sir, in our country, sir, even the maximum teachers, sir, they don't follow the syllabus. They just follow the book. They just follow the book. Yes, we have to follow the book, but according to the content of the syllabus, sir. Remember, sir. Always remember, sir, if any content present in your syllabus, not in your book, you have to finish. If any content present in your book, not in your syllabus, you can ignore it, sir. Right, sir? So always try to finish the syllabus content. That is your main material. That is from here, question will come, sir. Each and every question will come from your syllabus, sir. Remember, not only biology, other subject also. Got it, sir? So I already uploaded the syllabus in your group, sir. So all of your requested, sir, please print out this syllabus that is needed. Why it is important, we'll discuss later, coming one by one, sir. So if you go through or check the syllabus, you will see that in your syllabus, there are some bold point present. Bold point, bold. Okay, highlighted point present, sir. So this point is particularly important for paper 2. Okay, bold point in your syllabus, bold point is for paper 2. These are the content is included in your paper 2. And another important difference, in paper 2, you will get one passage. One passage will come, sir. And what type of question will come, we will discuss with time, sir. So these are the basic two difference in paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so content we will finish. One content we will discuss, one chapter we will finish. But the difference is, number 1, in your syllabus, bold point, and number 2 is one extra passage will come. Okay, clear, sir? Now, back to the topic, sir. So ultimately, sir, total mark is 180, right? Now, you already informed that our grading system is also changed. That is 1 to 9. Okay, out of 180, 145 is basically grade 9. Okay, 138 to 140 is basically grade 8. For your kind information, grade 8 and grade 9 is basically A star. That is equivalent to GPA 5. Remember, sir. Okay, that is equivalent to GPA 5, sir. Why it is needed? Because of at the end of your O level and A level, your mark will be converted to GPA, sir. So you need to maintain the GPA 5. That is important during the admission test, sir. Okay, so try to maintain the grade 8 or grade 9. Okay, so our first target is 145, then the minimum one is 138, and in my class, no other grade. If you think you need only grade 6 and grade 7, you can ignore my class, no problems. Okay, that means in my class, there is only one target, that is the A star or grade 8 or grade 9. That is our main targets. Okay, and to achieve the grade 8 or grade 9 or GPA 5, sir, we have some activities, sir. So what are the activities, sir? We will discuss with time, sir. But before that, in my class, besides the grade 8 or grade 9, each and every result failed. So in my mock test, in my class test, each and every one, sir, if you're getting the below the grade 8, straight fail. Okay. Clear, sir. So I will provide you results, sir, but you have to cooperate me, sir, please. And I'm giving you guarantee and warranty, sir. If you're able to follow my instructions, sir, for sure you be a 5 or grade 9, sir, inshallah. Okay? And after getting your result, please give the status. I'm a GPA 5, right? Okay, no problem. So ultimately, sir, another great presence, sir. Besides this grade 8 and grade 9, another. Okay, so what is that? If you're getting the around 170, that is world highest or country highest. That is the another great sign. Okay, so please be targeted from now. Our first target, 170. Okay, if we fail to achieve this 170, the next one is 145. Got it, sir? So 170 around is your world highest or country highest. So it's possible, sir. Use possible, sir, to get the 170, sir, because it's just like a math. It's just information. Biology is just information. If you give the wrong information, 0. Right information, full mark. Right information, full mark. And the main target is you have to remember this information. And how to remember depends on you. Either memorizing or revising, whatever it is, it depends on you. But we have some activities, some planning. Inshallah, you can easily remember each and every one. Okay, clear, sir? So just remember, everyone, hopefully everyone, you already set your target. That is the first target is 145. Then the next first target is 170 exactly. Then the second target is 145 exactly, sir. This is our first target. If we fail to achieve, then the next one 145, sir. That is our main target, and it's possible, sir. Okay. And it's possible. Okay. Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
Yes. Jamima, do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir. Sorry, I forgot to mute myself.
Okay, no problem, sir. So ultimately, sir, our target is fixed, right? Our target is fixed. Now, another important thing, sir. You know, sir, some students, they are thinking biology is only for medical. Biology is only for MBBS or BBS, and the medical related, sir. Not really, sir. Biology is the only subject where nowadays, you know, sir, there's a lot of demandable subject present. You can easily build your careers. Okay. Actually, what we want at the end of our O-level and A-level, so that we can build our career properly, right? So nowadays, there are a lot of sector present where you can build your career, so like pharmacy, microbiology, biochemistry, genetic engineering, biomed, biotechnology. Each and every subject is demandable and hot subject nowadays. Okay, due to this pandemic situations, and you know, so these subjects are nowadays cream subjects. Okay, so to build your career in that area or that sector, sir, you need to know the biology properties. Okay, and I believe that biology, this is the only subject where you need to give the 100% focus and 100% effort, sir. And I believe that only those who have huge amount of gut, those who are intelligent, those who are extraordinary, only that students they can take the biology. How you can differentiate, how you can identify? If you check your school, sir, like in your school, sir. Okay, so which school come from, sir? Academia. Academia. You, sir? Siddiqui, sir. So if you consider your school, sir, you will see that there are a lot of students, they have physics, they have chemistry, they have math, but only few students they have biology. Okay, only few students. If I consider, sir, only 10 to 15%, not more than 20% students they are taking the biology. Even if you inform to your senior brother or other people that you have a biology, you have a biology, that means they are thinking you are something out of the world, a different thing. Not really. That means you are different. You are extraordinary. So biology is the only subject where you have to understand, you have to remember, then you have to write. Clear, sir? So that's why, sir, I think, sir, only the extraordinary student, only the intelligent student, they can continue this subject, sir. And that's really good. Okay, and inshallah, our target is either world highest or GPA 5, sir. That is grade 9 or grade 8. That is our target, sir, inshallah. Okay, so whatever the other people, what the other people think, it doesn't matter, sir. Just consider it is my target, my subject, my life, my career. I will finish that subject, sir. Don't influence by your senior brother or other people. Okay, they don't help you to build your career, sir. So think right now, sir. Okay, and it's better to take all the science subject from the very beginning. Later you can decide which sector will you build your career on most. Okay, so from the beginning, sir, it's better to continue each and every subject. Okay, clear, sir? Now back to the topic, sir. So first part, we already decided, that is our target is either world highest or grade 9 or grade 8. Below that, no grade. Okay, that is our target. Okay, clear. Now the next part, second part. To achieve the grade 9 or grade 8 or world highest, sir, we need to follow some event. We need to follow some activities. Okay, so what are the event we need to follow? If you want, you can write, you can note it down, sir. Now please look at the board, try to understand, sir. What are the activities we need to follow to confirm the grade 8 or grade 9 or world highest, sir? Okay, so first we decided our target is grade 9 or world highest. That is our main target. Okay, so now let's start, sir. To confirm, to achieve the grade 8, grade 9 or world highest, we have to follow some activities. We have to follow some event. Okay, now first one, number 1. So our target is grade 9 or 8, given the world highest. That is our main target. Okay, so number 1. First activities, sir, we have to follow according to our target. Number 1, note. Number 1 is note. Now listen to me. In our biology, according to our book content, there are 22 chapters present. How many, sir? 22 chapters. But according to our syllabus, there are 5 topics present. How many, sir? 5 topics present. That means this 5 topics will cover the 22 chapters. Okay, clear? Now, we will explain or we will discuss individual chapter. And I will provide you a note individual note I will provide you. Okay, so for note we need a 300-page copy. So please note it down. We need a 300-page copy, sir. It's needed from our next class. Very next class we need this 300-page copy, because in a single copy we will include each and every information over there. Okay, clear? So we need a 300-page copy, sir. First important thing, sir. Now, normally this note is prepared. This note is prepared according to the syllabus. According to the syllabus. I already informed that our main target is syllabus, because that is given by British Council, Edbase, and they will prepare the question paper from this syllabus, sir. Remember. Okay, so we will collect the content from the syllabus, but information from the book. So I will prepare the note according to the syllabus and book. Remember, I will prepare the syllabus according to the book and according to the syllabus and books. That means syllabus. From the syllabus, we will collect the content, and from the book, we will collect the information. Okay, clear, sir? So our note is totally based on syllabus and information from the books. Remember, and if any content, even I forgot to finish it from the syllabus, you have right, sir, please finish it, sir. That is included in our syllabus. Even if I explain anything outside of the syllabus, you have right, sir. Please don't waste our time, sir. Follow the syllabus, sir. You have a right, sir. Exactly, sir. Because we don't have sufficient time. Our target is we will finish our syllabus end of October. We will finish our syllabus. End of October or third week of October, we will finish our syllabus. That is 22 chapter we will finish within October, sir. Okay, so each and every class is important for us, including today's lectures. That is important for us. Okay, clear. So first one is note. Note is prepared on the basis of syllabus and book. Together, I will prepare the note. If any student, he or she are thinking that we will only follow the note, wrong. You will not get your expected grades. You have to follow the book also, sir. Because in your note, you will get some page number that you have to finish from the book, sir. So book you have to finish. How, when, I will inform you later, sir. Don't worry. During class time, I will inform you. But your first target is you have to finish the note that is prepared according to the syllabus and according to the books. Okay, that is for chapter wise. That is for chapter wise. Okay, now the number 2. That is the main point, sir. Sir, what is our target? That is grade 9. If I consider average one is grade 9, that is our target, right? So to confirm our grade 9, number 1 is we have to finish a note. Number 1, we have to finish a note. Number 1, done. Number 2, we have to follow the second activity, sir. Number 2. Spot test. Number 2 is spot test, sir. In our class, sir, you will get some different terms, sir. Already some students informed about this spot test, sir. Okay. Like if any student asks me, sir, tell me one thing to get the GPA 5 or grade 9. My suggestion, just follow the spot test enough. So spot test will confirm your result. Remember, spot test will confirm your result. So what is the spot test? Right? Any idea about the spot test? Now listen to me, sir. What is the spot test? Spot test is a daily activities, daily test. Daily. Like whatever I will finish today, next class, last 10 minutes, on the basis of today's lecture, I will take test for 10 marks. Got it, sir? So it's a daily test. It's a daily test. Suppose to finish the chapter 1, we need 5 class. So how many spot tests? 5 spot tests. That means each and every class we have a 1 spot test that is on the basis of last lecture. On the basis of, that means today's lecture spot test, for example, Friday. Friday's lecture is spot test on Saturday. Saturday lecture is spot test on next week Friday. That means it's a continuous process. No need to ask, do I have any spot test or not? No need to remember. It's a daily test, sir. Okay. So spot test, it will determine your result. How? Once you are able to finish the individual lecture at the end of the chapter, that means your chapter is finished. Right? Your chapter is finished. Once our chapter is finished, then we can follow the other activities. But first target is we have to finish the chapter. That is the information. So spot test will determine your result. How? By completing your chapter properly. For this spot test, sir, there is no compromise. There is no consideration in this spot test. If you ask me any question 10 times, 20 times, I don't mind, sir. But there is no consideration in spot test. Like in spot test, I already informed that. How many marks, sir? 10 marks. How many minutes, sir? 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. And for your kind of information, out of 10 marks, passing mark is 8 marks. Passing mark is 8 marks. And this result, I will send to your registered mobile number. So remember, that is your parents' number. papers. Okay, clear? So please remember, sir, your total mark is 10. Passing mark 8. If you are getting the below 8, that means no, repeat. Okay, no fail in my class. You will get the result as a fail, but you need to prepare yourself. That is, there is a repeat test. Okay, until you're achieving your grade 8 up to 8, you have to continue this spot test, remember. Okay, clear? So spot test, passing mark is 8. Below 8, fail, but not fail, repeat test. Okay, clear, sir? So number 2 activities is spot test and no compromise. No compromise. You will get the phone call if you're unable to attend the spot test. Okay, from the office, you will get the phone calls. Okay, and we don't like to call to your parents. We don't like. Okay, but depends on yourself. If you like, we can call. Okay, depends on you, sir. Okay, but make sure, sir, try to give your best in your spot test. Got it, sir? Okay, now listen to this. So first part, we will finish individual chapter with proper note. That is according to the syllabus and according to the book. Second point, sir, we have spot test. Okay, sir, what is our target? Grade 9. So to confirm our grade 9, number 1 activity, note. Number 2 is now number 3. Number 3, after completing the 1 chapter, right? So with proper explanation, proper lecture, then proper spot test, we finish the 1 chapter, right? After completing the 1 chapter, the third activity is not homework, it's a home test. Okay, it's not a homework, sir. Homework, that means you can easily collect it from the book or from where you can easily copy it, sir. So it's not a homework, it's a home test. So what is home test? Now listen to me, sir. You already informed that in our O level, not only biology, physics, chemistry, math, biology, sir, you will get very few direct questions. Very few. 10 to 20% direct question will come. And remaining 80% topic oriented question will come, right? It's not like Bangla medium that finish the last 5 years and you will get the common questions. No. Okay, so each and every year different question will come, but the same content. Syllabus is given by British Council, right? Okay, now listen to me. So you will not get the common question, but you will get the common topic, right? You will get the common topic, sir. So as a home test, I will provide you some question on the basis of previous year question papers. Okay, that means you have to identify the answer of this home test question from the book, from the note. Even sometimes you have to collect it from the net. That means you have to give your time to identify this. Okay, so remember, sir, maximum time you will get the related topic, not direct questions. So related question, related topic, related question. I will give you some question in your home test. There is a particular deadline, there is a particular time, and you have to submit it in a particular area. Why? I will inform you later, sir. Okay, but home test means that is the unseen question. That is the unseen question, and this question is to the point O-level standard. O-level standard questions I will get, sir. And remember, sir, don't think we just started biology, sir. From the day 1, from the first mock, from the first spot test, you will get your O-level flavor. O-level type question will come in your very first exams. Okay, so that from the very beginning, sir, you can identify that what type of question is coming or question will come in your O-level exams. Okay, clear, sir. So the third one is home test. Now listen to me, sir. From the home test, I will collect 20% mark. How many, sir? 20% mark. Why we will collect the 20% mark? We'll inform you later. Coming, sir. But remember, from the home test, 20% mark we will accept it. Suppose the total mark is 50, but we will convert it to 20%. Convert it to 20%. Okay. Now the fourth number activities. So first target is I will give you note with proper information, sir. Okay. Second point, spot test. Third point, home test. Now fourth number point. What is our target, sir? Grade 9. So to confirm our grade 9, we have to follow these activities, sir. Okay. And you know, sir, I am huge confident in my results. Why? Because I know that if any student, he or she is able to follow my activity, definitely will get grade 9. Guaranteed, sir. Guaranteed, sir. For sure, you will get grade 9, GPA 5 for sure, sir. Okay. So the fourth number activities is topic test. Sir, it's an individual chapter. Remember, I'm talking about individual chapter. So after completing the one chapter, there is a home test. Then the fourth number point is topic test. Topic test. Remember, sir. Okay. And topic test is basically based on previous year question paper. O-level standard question papers. Okay. And for your kind information, from the topic test, we will collect 70% mark. How many, sir? 70% mark from the topic test. Now see, 20% mark from the home test. 10% mark from the spot test. How many, sir? 100, right? Sir, that is the important issue, sir. Remember. Okay, it's not like that you will ignore the spot test, you will ignore the home test so that you can easily get the full mark in the topic test. It's not possible, sir. Because of 20% mark from the home test, 10% mark from the spot, total is 100. Out of 100, passing mark, 70%. Passing mark is 70%. Below 70%, no fail. Repeat. Okay. So in my class, no fail. That is repeat test. Okay. If you are getting the below 70%, sir, that is the repeat test. For repeat, listen to me, sir. For repeat, passing mark 80%. Then again fail. That is repeat. Passing mark 90%. Again fail. Repeat. Passing mark to be continued, sir. After your exam, sir, it will continue. Exactly, sir. Okay. So please be careful, sir. And don't think you will attempt for repeat test, sir. Don't. Okay. Try to get the full mark, best mark in your first time exam, sir. Please try. Be targeted, sir. Okay. Clear, sir? So always remember, sir, this next one, to confirm our grade 9, we have to attend the topic test. That is a topic mock test, individual topic mock test. So first we will finish a note with proper explanation. Because I already informed that you know how to make a sentence, right? Definitely you know, sir, right? So you have to understand. Once you understand, then you have to remember. How to remember depends on you. Either memorizing or making some individual information or other thing, but make sure you have to understand first. Then there is spot test, then home test, then topic test. Is it finished? To get the full mark to grade 9.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, about the home test. The home test is the question you will be making that questions,
Yes, sir.
and that will be also individually from the
Yes,
chapters.
individual, exactly, sir. Individual chapters. Okay,
Okay.
clear, sir. So now, after the topic test, next activity, solving class. That is important, sir. That is important, sir. Not only biology, each and every subject without solving. Mock test, topic test, nothing. Zero. Zero. Suppose you got 80%. How many mark efficiency? 20 mark. So why did you got 10 marks, sir? You have a right. Trust me, sir, you have a right to know the answer, right? So that is the solving class. Without solving, not a single student, he or she can build their confidence level. Never. They can't finish their syllabus properly, guaranteed, sir. Not a single student, sir. Okay. So I know there's a lot of students, sir. They gave near about 100 mark, 100 spot tests, sir, without solving. Result, grade 6, grade 5. And they are claiming, they are blaming to teacher. That is, we gave lot of exam. We got the common question, sir, but it's still not expected grade. So why? Because without solving, result zero. You need to know your problems, right? So can you please tell me what is your target? Grade 9. Your target is grade 9. What is my target? To provide you mark, to cut down your mark, to identify your problem, to identify your mistake. That is my target. Okay? Once I'm able to correct your problem, that means you are confident on that sector. So solving is the vital part in your preparation. Okay? Clear, sir? If any student fail to attend the topic mock test, no problem, but you have to attend the solving class. Through the solving, you can overcome your problem. Through the solving, you can revise that chapter. Okay, so please remember, sir, each and every subject, sir, it's your duty, sir. Attend the solving class. You have right to ask for solving class, sir. That is important. I am explaining, you are understanding, you are giving the exam, but without problem solving, sir, it's nothing. It's nothing, sir. You will not get your expected grades, sir. Trust me, sir. So next one is solving class. Okay, now listen to me, sir. In my class, I'm giving you a guarantee, sir, in a sense. I know that in our Bangladesh, not a single school, not a single teacher, they provide solving. Not a single school, not a single teacher, they provide solving. They provide mark scheme. You know the mark scheme? They will just only provide you mark scheme, and on the basis of mark scheme, they will just explain. But in my class, you will get solving. Solving means complete sentence, complete grammar, complete order, complete sequence, and complete mark distribution. For this line, you will get 1 mark. For this line, you will get 2 marks. That means individual complete solving you will get. Right, sir? So in the mark scheme, what happens, sir? There are a lot of alternative options present, right? And we people are thinking, okay, my answer match with the mark scheme point, so I will get the full mark. Not really, sir. Mark scheme, they will provide you point, but you have to make it within a sequence, within an order, because I already informed that biology is information. So for any information, there is a sequence, right? Any information, there is a sequence. It's not a logic. It's a sequence. It's an order, information, sir. Okay. So that's why for the information, we will collect the point from the mark scheme, but proper order. But it's not possible for you right now to maintain the order. It's not possible, sir. So how to make the sentence, how to make a sequencer through the solving class, we will overcome it. Okay, so ultimately, sir, our main target is solving. Remember, main target is solving, and in my solving, you will get the complete answer. Complete writing you will get. Okay, clear, sir? So the last point is solving class, and these 5 points we will follow for individual chapter. So how many chapter present, sir? How many chapter? 22 chapter. That means chapter wise we will follow note, we will follow spot test, we will follow home test, topic test, and finally solving test. Now tell me, after doing all the 5 things, anything left on that chapter? None. Okay, that time you are teacher on a particular topic, sir. Okay, definitely you have a note, you have proper explanation, you know each and everything, so that means you are boss on that topics. Okay, clear. So ultimately these are the individual activities for individual chapter. So this is the chapter wise activities, right? Right, but our target is grade 9, so we have another activities. Okay, so we have another activity, sir. So number 6. Card final. Okay, number 6 is card final. I know, sir, in my class you will get a lot of different words, right? Spot test, home test, then the next one is card final, because our target is grade 9. Exactly, that is our target, sir. So if you are decided, if you are happy with grade 6 and 7, then okay, this is the last class, sir. Okay, no need to attend my class, sir. So our target is grade 9. So that's why you have to follow my information, sir. I am giving you guarantee and warranty. Why? Because I know, sir, if you are able to cooperate with me, sir, I will give you results, sir, inshallah. Okay, inshallah, don't worry, sir. So now what is the card final? What is the card final, sir? In our biology, there are 22 chapter present, right? 22 chapter is divided by, it's my own procedure, sir, divided by 4 cards. How many cards? See, if you want, you can note it down, sir. Card 1, it consists of chapter 1 to 9. Chapter 1 to 9, that is the card 1. So after completing the chapter 9, then I will take card final 1. Then the card final 1. Then card 2, it consists of chapter 10 to 13. Card 3 consists of chapter 14 and 15. Card 4 consists of chapter 16 to 22. That is our 4 cards. How many cards, sir? There are 4 cards present in our biology syllabus. And among these 4 cards, the biggest card, blockbuster card, is card 1. Total mark is? Total mark? 180. 180. Out of 180, sir, 90 to 100 mark question will come from the card 1. From the card 1, sir. And you know, sir, card 2, we will finish only 1 month. Card 3, only 1 month. Card 4, only 1 month. How many months, sir? 3. But our course duration is 10 months. 10 months. That means chapter 1 to 9, we will finish almost 6 months. It will take 6 months. Okay, maximum time we will expend in chapter 1 to 9. And remaining one, the smallest chapter, the smallest thing, if I want, I can finish one chapter one day. Very small chapters. On a single class, we can finish the one chapter. Okay, so that's why it's the biggest part, maximum portion will come from the card 1, chapter 1 to 9. Even if any student, he or she is happy with grade 6, grade 5, after doing the card 1, you can leave the class. Okay, that means if you follow the only card 1, at least grade 5 or grade 6 is confirmed. No problem, sir. Okay, but our target is grade 9. So we have to follow each and every card. So how many card final? And card final means it's an O-level. There is a paper 1, there is a paper 2, there is an individual venue, that means individual room, individual invigilator. You will get same as O-level flavors. Same as O-level standard, we will conduct this 4 card, remember. Okay, clear, sir? And after completing the card 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will start our final mock. So final mock is not a big thing. Final mock means it's a total chapter was mock. Okay, complete chapter, I will take 10 mocks. Okay, but our main target is, first of all, spot test. Okay, then topic mock test. Then card final. Okay, and finally, we can easily get the good grade in our final mocks. Okay, clear, sir? So to confirm our grade 9, these are the how many activities, sir? 6 activities, sir. Clear? 6 activities. If you follow these 6 activities, sir, guarantee, sir, grade 9. Okay. Besides these 6 activities, sir, I have another activities that is called final preparation. Okay. For example, sir, today you have a program in Chinmutri Sammelan or any other better place. Okay, that means you have a program. Okay, for this program, what will happen, sir? You will prepare yourself, new dress, new shoe. Okay, each and everything is prepared, right? And before leaving your home, sir, what will happen, sir? You will go in front of your mirror and finally you will do like this, right? Is it okay or not to check yourself, right? That is called final touch, right? Final touch. So same thing, sir. To confirm your grade 9, we have a final touch. Okay, that is called last one, last activity, sir. What is that? Item. Exactly. We have item. What is item? Final touch. But we have to know what is item. Now tell me, sir. Note, spot test, home test, topic test, solving, card final. Is it individual activities or group activities? What do you think? It's a group activities. Because we are doing, I'm giving the lecture, all of you are listening, right? I'm taking the exam in a single day, all of you are attending, right? So it's a group activities, right? Item is basically individual activities, one-on-one interactions. Right, sir? Item is based on one-on-one interactions. How? Think. In our biology, at the end of the card 1 or card 2 or card 3 or card 4, that is after ending the one card, I will provide you what is this? Pocket biology. Yes. What is pocket biology? Any idea? No. That means keep your book inside your pockets, right? inside your bag? Not really, sir. So what is pocket biology? Item is connected to pocket biology. Now listen to me, sir. In our biology, entire chapter 22, right? I will provide you 150 questions as a suggestion. And from that suggestion, sir, you will get from my side 80% common. Okay? 80% common question will come from my pocket biology. So pocket biology, it represents how many questions, sir? 150 total. Okay, that means in a 1 page or 2 page, I will give you that question and you can easily keep it with you, sir. So that's why it's a pocket, sir. Okay, so easily you can keep it in your bag, in your purse, anywhere you can keep it, sir. Even if you're traveling, so you can carry it, sir, easily, sir. Okay, that means, sir, there is 150 question for entire 4 cards. But if I consider for card 1, there is a 70 question. Card 2, 30 question. Card 3, 15 question. Card 4, 35 to 40 questions. Okay, the total 150 questions. So this 150 question with time, I will collect from you one and one. Not in a single day. I will provide you day, time, duration, individually. I will ask some question. You have to tell me or you have to write, choice of things. But no compromise, sir. 150 means 150 question I'll collect from you, sir. One and one I will collect it from you, sir. That is the item. So we can say item will start after the card final one. Okay, so after the card final one, we will start our next activities. That is called final touch to confirm your preparation more elaborately, more confidently. Okay, clear? So that means
before mock or after mock?
Sorry,
Item will be before mock or after mock, the final mock?
After the card final, item will start.
Okay.
After the card final, that means once we finish the card final one, that means chapter 1 to 9 is finished. Then I will sit with you, sir, one and one. Okay, clear, sir? And I know, sir, after this class, some students they are thinking, no, sir, I'm not doing your biology class. Ignore, sir. Sir, please listen to me, sir. I will give you result, but I need your cooperation. Just stick with me, sir. I will give you results. Okay, so you know, sir, at the end, result is matter. Result is important, sir, at the end, sir. Okay, so that's why, sir, I'll give you result. Just cooperate with me, sir. No problems. Okay, so these are the activities. So total, how many activities, sir? 7, including items. 7 activities equal to GPA 5. Okay, grade 9. Confirm, inshallah. Confirm grade 9, sir.
So these 7 activities will be in the 10 months, in the first 10 months.
First 10, yes, exactly. First 10 months, sir. And after that, we will start our final mock. So final mock, it depends on your these 7 activities, sir. If you are good in these 7 activities, sir, fine, no problem, sir. Okay, you are prepared, sir. Okay, clear, sir. So this is our main activities to confirm our results. Okay, and after that, sir, inshallah, very next class, we will start our normal chapter explanation, each and everything we will start. Okay, so till now, we decided our target, right? Decided? Grade 5? No. Grade 6? Grade 9, sir. Exactly. That is our target, sir. Okay. Then to confirm our grade 9, we have to follow this activities, right? We have to follow this activities, sir. Okay. Now the next point that is important, sir. So we already confirm our target. We already informed that how to reach their target or how to confirm that target. Now we have to know what type of question will come in our exam. You know, sir, in O-level biology, question is a big fact. Question is a big issue, sir. 90% students, they fail to understand the question. So think, British Council, Edexcel, they provided fixed content, right? We don't have, even the Edexcel, they don't have any right to change the content, right? But they have right to make the complicated question. So listen to me, information fixed, but they will prepare the question in a different way so that you will confused. Okay, so 90% student, they don't know the perfect answer, proper answer for the particular question. So question is a big fact, big issues. And we can overcome this problem through the solving. Before solving, we can't overcome. Remember, sir. Okay? During exams, sir, you will face that some question is unknown for you. It's not unknown. Unknown question, but not answer. But during solving, you will realize, oh, I know that question, sir. Right, sir? So through the solving, we will overcome our limitation, our problem, like to understand the question properly. Got it, sir? So don't be disappointed after giving the first few exam or mock tests, sir, because during solving, we will overcome, sir, inshallah. Okay, clear, sir? But remember, question is a big fact, big issue, sir. Okay, now, in our country, sir, 90% school, even teacher, they don't know what type of question will come. They will just revise the book. They will just solve the previous year question paper, and they will take some mock on the basis of previous year question paper. It's a common trend, and they're thinking their preparation is finished. Right? No, sir. There are different categories question will come. Even they don't know what type of question will come. So now the next one is type of questions. If you want, you can give the headline. Type of questions. What type of question will come in our exam, sir? Okay. If you have any questions, sir, you can ask me, sir, or we can discuss the next part, sir. What type of question will come in our exam, sir? Remember. So we confirm our target, right? Target is grade 9.
Can we answer the pocket questions
Sorry, sir.
by using the book? Can we, at the starting, can we use our book to answer the pocket questions? Or
Exactly.
we have to...
Pocket biology is based on note and books, sir. Don't worry, sir. Okay. Yes, sir, please. Exactly, we'll show you. Relax. So ultimately, sir, we already decided our target. Okay, we already decided our target. We already confirmed that how to collect our target, how to reach our targets. We already informed. Now we have to know what type of question will come in our exam, sir, right? That means total mark is 180. So what is the mark distribution? We have to know. That is the important issues. Number one, what type of question will come? Number one, structural question. Number one is structural question, sir. Sir, structural question means chapter 1 to 22. That is a structural question. And we will finish our structural questions, sir, at the end of October, sir. It will continuous process, sir. Okay. So from the structural question, for your kind information, you will get 90 to 110 marks. That means 90 to 110 mark, maximum 110 mark question will come from the structural question. Now think, to get the grade 9, we need 145, right? So if any student, he or she just revise the structural portion of the book, is it possible to get the grade 9? No. You need to finish other content that is included in our syllabus. So first one is structural questions, sir, that is based on chapter 1 to 22, that is the note. In our activities note, it covered the structural questions. Okay, now another type of question will come, that is investigation. How many marks? 6 marks. Fixed. How many marks? And for your kind information, there is no particular information or details present in our book. No information related to investigation. But investigation will come in our exams. Got it, sir? So you will not get any information regarding the investigation, sir. But this investigation will come to your exams. So I will take separate 2 classes on the basis of investigation, sir. Okay, 2 separate classes on the basis of investigation. Number 3, another type of question will come. Graph. Graph will come, that is for 5 to 6 marks. But for your kind of information, in your book, there is no particular details present for graph. But we have to finish the graph. And you know, sir, maximum students, they are thinking, mathematical graph, biological graph, quite easy, same thing. Not really. For biology, sir, you have to follow some rules. And for your kind of information, if any student, he or she is unable to get the full mark in investigation and graph, will not get a star. Because of investigation graph, they are connected few mark presence. So that's why, sir, to confirm your grade 9, no option to get full mark in investigation, no option to get the full mark for graph, sir. So you have to get the full mark in investigation and graph, sir. Remember. Okay. So investigation 6 mark, graph 5 to 6 mark. I will take 2 classes on the basis of graph. Okay. Now, next one, number 4. What type of question will come? Some math will come. That is for 5 to 6 marks. What type of math? So it is easiest math. That is same as math B. Like what type of question? Like find out the mean, median, mode. Then find out the rate of reaction. Then the percentage increase, percentage decrease. So these are the very small or simple form of question will come that is related to math. And I'm not taking any separate class on maths. Okay, so math, normal math, you can easily get the mark from the maths. Okay, clear, done. Now the next one, number 5, that is the important thing. Experimental questions. Near about 40 to 50 marks question will come from the experimental question. And you know, sir, 90% students are they lost their grade just because of experimental questions. Okay. Individual chapter near about 2 to 3 experimental question present. Sir, to understand the experimental question, easy. But what type of question will come in experimental question? It depends on. It depends on. Common word. It depends on common word. And you know, sir, in our country, 90% school, they don't know what is common word. What is the experimental question? What type of question will come? They don't have any idea. What? Do you have any class right now? If you want, you can go, sir, no problem. If you want, sir, no problem. Okay? Just inform me, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry? If you want, you can go, no problem. Okay. So ultimately, sir, number one is, last one is experimental question. So experimental question is basically based on common word. It is based on common word. So what is common word? What type of question will come in common word, sir? I will take some different class, but during the solving, we will explain the common word related question. Like individual chapter, I'm taking individual mock, topic mock, sir. So in the topic mock, sir, you will get near about 30% question related to experimental question, which is based on common word. So during solving, we will solve that common word related questions. It's not a one class, it's not a two class, or it's not a 1 month or 2 month activity that means you can overcome the common word. No. Okay, so common word and experimental questions are during solving, we will overcome. I'm just giving one example. Anyone, can you please tell me? Describe and explain. Do you think it's the same thing? What are the difference between describe and explain?
When it's explained, we have to give reasons, and when it's described, we don't really have to give reasons.
For example, sir, describe this room. Describe this room. So you have to mention that this room has 2 fans, 1 projector, 1 AC, 2 student or 5 student, 10 chair, 1 laptop. That means whatever the content present in this room, that is the describe. And if the question is explain this room, then if the question is explain this room, that time you have to mention this room contain 1 AC, why? 1 projector, why? 2 fan, why? 5 student, why? That means reason. You have to give the reason. You have to inform why. That is the explain. So same thing, you will get discuss, suggest, evaluate. Okay, different word related question will come, but different way you have to explain, you have to write. Got it, sir? Okay, so that's why, sir, experimental question based on common word. So these are the 5 categories question will come in our exams. Okay, hopefully everyone understood, so right? So today, as an orientation class, we just inform, we just fixed our target. We just fixed our target, that is grade 9. Then we inform that how to get the grade 9. We confirm it, sir. Okay, and then finally, sir, what type of question will come? We already informed that, sir. Okay, so inshallah, from the next class, that is on Friday. From the Friday, we will start our content. No orientation, finished. It is finished, orientation class. So from the Friday, we will start our regular or normal classes. Okay, and if I start a regular class on Friday, our spot test on Saturday. Remember, Saturday is our first spot test. And for spot test, you have to collect the 200-page copy. For spot test, you have to collect how many pages, sir? 200 page copies. Now another information, sir. Some students, they are doing the class in online, some students, they are doing the class in physical, right? After giving the spot test or mock test, each and every time after giving the exam, you have to take the picture and upload it in Google Classroom. So after this class, you will get a code or link for Google Classroom and you have to join that Google Classroom. Okay, so as it is physical exam or online exam, each and every time you have to take the picture and upload it in Google Classroom. Okay. Clear, sir? So these are the basic activities, sir. Okay, our first class, regular class, we will start from Friday, sir. And Friday, till now, we decided batch 1, I will conduct this class in Gulshan, and batch 2 in Dhanmondi, physical. But both time, you can attend the online of the choice of you, sir. But for Dhanmondi student, first I decided I will conduct the batch 2 in Dhanmondi and batch 1 in Gulshan, sir. But some student, they already informed me, a lot of the student that is batch 1 is convenient for them for physical class, sir, both Friday and Saturday. But this week, please attend the batch 2. So the very next week, I will try to change the routine for the physical class in Dhanmondi and Gulshan. I will manage it. So you will get the notice in your books. Okay, clear? Hopefully everyone understood and hopefully everyone already targeted, right? That is great, man. So just follow my information. Just cooperate with me, sir. Okay, just try to stick with me, sir. More than enough, sir. Great, man. At least this subject guaranteed. Great, man. Okay, inshallah. So thank you so much. Thank you for your cooperation. See you on next class, Friday at 9:30 for batch 1 and 2 p.m. for batch 2. And another important thing is a Friday, basically June 1. So that's why we can start our class 10 minutes later. Okay. Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz. Yes, sir. You can tell me, sir.
Can I do physical classes from Friday?
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.